Want your Word document to look clean and professional? Here's how to add a table of contents in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create an automatic table of contents in Microsoft Word that updates itself automatically. And the best part is, once you set it up correctly, Word does almost all the work for you. The first thing we need to do is add headings and subheadings, because this is what creates the table of contents. Right now, I don't have any headings added yet, so let's fix that first. I'm going to start with this introduction section. Highlight the text, make sure you're on the Home tab, and then look for the heading styles at the top. For main sections like Introduction, Dummy Text, and New, use Heading 1. So I'll highlight each one and apply Heading 1 to all of them. And now comes the part where everything starts coming together. Once all your headings are set up, choose where you want the table of contents to appear. In my case, I want it near the beginning of the document. Now go to the References tab at the top, click on Table of Contents, then open the drop-down menu. You'll see a few automatic options here, and honestly, the automatic ones work perfectly for most people. So, I'm going to select Automatic Table 1. And just like that, Word creates the table of contents automatically. Now here's something important a lot of people forget. If your document doesn't have page numbers yet, your table of contents won't look complete. To add them, go to the Insert tab, click on Page Number, and choose where you want the numbers to appear. I'll place mine at the bottom center of the page. And once you click it, Word will automatically add page numbers throughout the document. Now your table of contents and page numbers work together perfectly. And one more useful thing. If you ever add more headings later, just go back to References, click Update Table, and Word will refresh everything automatically. You can also customize the table by changing the font size, and overall style however you want. And there you go. You've now created a clean, professional table of contents in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more simple Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.